Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope your day is wonderful. So as you know, today we are opening the Mint Mongoose, and this is for May 2019. And before I was filming this, like when I was getting ready, I realized that I have not reached for the jewelry I received in last month's Mint Mongoose at all. So I'm really gonna see how I feel about this bag right here and decide whether or not I want to continue, because there are other jewelry subscriptions I really love and I continue to wear the jewelry I receive from them. So definitely after you watch this, leave a comment down below. Do you want me to continue the subscription? Do you guys get this? Do you enjoy watching me open it? Please leave your thoughts down below. But if you're unfamiliar with Mint Mongoose, this is a jewelry subscription. Obviously, I've already kind of alluded to that. And this one's pretty affordable. It's like, plans start at $9 a month, but I think if you pay monthly, it's around like $12 or something like that. And you may pay a few dollars in shipping. Let me double check, I forget. Okay, so I'm acting like I'm signing up again. So if you pay monthly, it is $12. If you pay for 3 months at a time, you save $3, so it's $11 per month. And then if you do a 6-month plan, it's $10, and then it's the 12-year plan that is $9 a month. And oh, Emmy's making an appearance. Hi, Emmy. There hasn't been a cat appearance in a while. For some reason, they just like have been kind of behaving. Oh, don't go by the plants, baby. 1 second. Baby, get down. Get down, baby. Sorry, I totally got distracted by my cute little cat, but I was talking about pricing, and I believe there is a shipping charge depending on your location. This does ship worldwide, which is really awesome. And they do have a premium version, which is more expensive, but I just get the regular version, and I pay $12 a month. And each month you get 3 pieces, and it's supposed to have a value of over $40 or more, I believe. And everyone gets the same things each month, but you get to pick your type of metal you want. I believe I chose Surprise Me instead of like silver or gold. And they also ask you if you like earrings or if you like watches. And I think, well, I said for sure yes to earrings, and I think I said no to watches. But I think the watches only come in the select box. If you guys know more, if I'm missing any information, please educate us down in the comment section. But anyways, let's get unbagging and see, is this worth it? All right, inside the bag, the jewelry is contained in here, and there was like a little seal on it that has a mongoose, but that fell off. So it's a cute package, I guess. And it seems like every month they send a little candy too. What is this called? Like the Werther's Original. I am trying to avoid sugar right now, but this looks really good. I think these are like little like caramel things, I don't know. God, I don't know. I think I have had such low amount of sugar that I'm like brain dead, I'm just kidding, but yeah, that's a cute little touch. And so then most of the jewelry was wrapped in this bag, and there's one item outside of the tissue. And there's a little card that says, "Thank you, Mint Mongoose." And it says, "Yay, it's here. Be sure to share photos or videos of your new favorite jewelry pieces to be entered to win a free month." So that's cool. Has anyone ever won a free month? I feel like a lot of subscription boxes have that as an option, like share and you may win, but I've never heard of anyone winning. So, and I definitely share things all the time. So let me know if that's ever happened for you guys. But let's start with what's in this tissue paper, which I love the color, by the way. So they do have like cute wrapping. I like blue and teal, a little bit. I don't think I've seen any sneak peeks. If you're newer to my channel, I try and avoid watching any unboxings of the same boxes I open before I get them, and I always try and avoid sneak peeks, but sometimes those are hard to avoid on social media, especially like Instagram and stuff, and like other people that unbox just like have photos of the stuff they get on there and I come across it, but I don't think I've seen any of this. So I'm gonna start with the first item the closest to me. So there's like a little mongoose on it. Just this thing about their shop. So I guess they have an online shop too, and you get 40% off. So that's cool if you're looking for like a gift or anything like that. Looks like this may be a necklace, or let's see. Oh, maybe I did see a sneak peek in my email of just this. I think they showed only the necklace. So what's, oh, it looks like there's actually a little mongoose on this on the back. So I got silver. Let's see if I can show you. I'll try on all the jewelry too at the end of the video. So it has like 5 little jewelry pieces, dangles. it's pretty. I like this. And on the back there's like little mongooses. Let me see if I could show you. I'm not sure if that is focusing or not, but there's like a little mongoose on the back. And then, yeah, so this is pretty cute. How would I just put this on now? I'll try them on as I open. I like the length of this. Here, let me see, can you guys see, is it? Let me look in the mirror. Yeah, I think I like this. I prefer more like simple pieces and delicate pieces. I like this definitely better than the last month. I can see myself wearing this. Like in the viewfinder, I feel like you can barely see like the little dangly pieces, but I think it's cute. I really like where it falls. I'm wearing like a super low cut dress. This is like my post shower dress. I have a few dresses I don't wear out of the house, but I wear them because they're like cozy for inside. Easy just to throw on. So sorry, I'll try not to sit up too much. Don't want to expose myself. I'm sure you guys don't want to see that. But anyways, okay, so far I'm liking this month. So let's go to the next piece. It's wrapped up similarly like the necklace. Oh, and it looks like these are earrings. All right, and the earrings, they match the necklace. These are cute. So they look just like the little dangles on the necklace. So let me put these on. I think I like these. Yeah, this month is going a lot better for me. You guys have to let me know. I feel like it's so hard to like use the viewfinder as a mirror. But yeah, I have my hair up so you can actually see my earrings a little bit better. I didn't blow dry my hair and it dried like all weird, so I just pulled it up. I'm like, I can't remember last time I even wore my hair up in a video. I've been really good about doing my hair, but I guess every now and then we could use a break from the blow dryer, right? But anyways, let's move on to the last item. This is a ring and it matches as well. So it seems like with Mint Mongoose, all the jewelry does go together. So if you're into like matching jewelry, that is a plus. And here, let me show it to you first. So it's that same kind of silver material. I don't think it's focusing. And on the back of it, there is like a little slit, so I think it could be adjustable to your size. Let's see if it fits me. It's a little snug. Let me see if I can adjust it. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think this one, like maybe if I pull on it more, I don't know, my fingers are like kind of average size. Sometimes they're a little chubby, I don't know. I don't want to pull it apart, but here, I'll show it to you on my pinky. I feel like it's not really focusing well. So, to be honest, I never really wear rings. I would prefer necklaces and earrings. Like if you watch my other unboxings of jewelry, I never get rings, especially like with Rocksbox where I get to choose what I get. So, I mean, maybe I can get this to fit, but unfortunately, like, you know, it's not fitting me, and if anyone has bigger fingers than me, I don't think they'll be able to wear it either. So the ring is a miss for me, but I do like the other two pieces a lot. I probably won't be able to have this little candy because I am really trying to get my health under control and all that, but I'll probably just like add this to a giveaway, cute little touch, so someone else will enjoy it. By the way, I do have 2 active giveaways going on. They're in conjunction with 2 other companies, so with Cratejoy and Formulate, so if you have not entered, I will leave those giveaway videos down below. And I am planning another giveaway super soon. I've hinted at it before and talked about it with a few of you, but it will be a skincare based giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Later today I plan on like going through my bathroom drawers. That's where I keep all of my skincare items and stuff like that. And the drawers are jam-packed, so I'm going to declutter and figure out what's going to be in that giveaway, so that should be coming super soon. But anyways, back to Mint Mongoose. Let me know what you think, you guys. Like, I do like the items I have on. The ring, not going to work for me. Unfortunately, I'll have to figure out like a way to use it. I wonder if you could put it on a necklace, but there's like that little slit, so I don't know what I will do with this. But yeah, please let me know. Should I keep this box or not? Like, it's pretty affordable, but if I'm not going to wear the jewelry, then, you know, I don't want to keep paying for it. So I think I pay monthly. Like, a lot of times I buy them like in 3-month spans, but I'm pretty sure this one I purchase monthly when there was like a sale going on or something. And by the way, it looks like you can save 15% on this right now. I have the website pulled up, their Cratejoy site, and it says use code MOMSDAY at checkout to receive 15% off. So I will leave that in the description box along with the link to this box. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so, so much. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing before you go, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.